On Sunday the 19th of March 2023, I was invited to join forces with Wellington Flights Live to stream from the Life Flight Open Day. Life Flight Trust runs a hospital transfer service and a rescue helicopter service, and they need all the help they can get to run those services. So if you like this video, maybe follow the link in the description and give them a wee donation. Thanks Wellington Flights Live for inviting me along, and thanks Life Flight Trust for letting us stand in the most awesome seats in the house. That's pretty cool. So wait, is this a flight review? No, this is not a flight review. This is a highlights reel of my day at Life Flight Trust Open Day 2023. I hope you enjoy it. I honestly have no idea how Wellington Flights Live wangled an invitation to stream from the Life Flight Open Day. And when we got there, I have even less idea how we got the primo spot right in the corner. I'm pretty sure our professional demeanour and structured approach to streaming are a big part in their decision to have us along for the day.
Twirl it round. And do I look beautiful?
You look amazing.
I know. It's the chic streamer.
That's the that's right.
2023.
How lucky were we? A primo spot. It was slightly obscured for the takeoffs and landings, but we saw everything that taxied by, and some of the awesome stuff stopped and started right in front of us. So we set up all the gear and the stream gets going.
Kia ora. Kia ora. I'm your host, Kevin, and we have Supersonic Kiwi, who is Gerard.
I'm the sidekick.
Sidekick?
Yep.
You have your own channel, don't you, Supersonic
I do have
Kiwi?
my own channel, yep, Flight Reviews. I'm edging up on 1,000 subscribers, so I'm thinking about doing something a little bit different for that, and I'm wondering if today, a little bit of a recap of today might be a neat thing to do.
Yeah.
Because it's just, we're in an amazing spot. You're not going to believe this. The stream's going to be incredible. We are so close.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
We are so close.
So we'll give you a look in a minute.
It was a pretty amazing stream, and if you want to watch it, go over to Wellington Flights Live and watch it. Follow the link in the description. Kevin would really appreciate the view. That'd be awesome. And this channel is at 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. 1,000. That's incredible. Thank you so much to everyone who subscribed to my channel. I do appreciate it. And here's my thank you gift to you. My recap of the top 2 things at Life Flight Open Day 2023. Top 3 things. Here's my 5 top things. Number 5, our awesome spot. I've already alluded to this in the intro, but our spot was incredible, and spotting from here was pretty awesome. Spending the day streaming from the best seat in the house was absolutely superb.
Oh, 10 and Ben. 10 and Ben. Brilliant.
Number 4, fire trucks. Number 3, United States Air Force C-37A. This beautiful aircraft, manufactured by Gulfstream Aerospace, was not part of the Life Flight Open Day program. It just happened to be here. According to ADSB Exchange, it arrived from Hickam Air Force Base in Hawaii a few days before the Open Day. Apparently it was bringing high-level dignitaries to visit their New Zealand counterparts, and it departed Wellington on the 19th of March at 12:26 p.m, heading towards Australia, presumably Canberra, but I don't know. One thing I do know is that it took off like a rocket. What a day. Number 2. Supermarine Spitfire Mark 9. It was manufactured in September 1944 at the Castle Bromwich factory in Castle Vale, Birmingham in the UK. This stalwart of wartime aviation history was lovingly restored between 2003 and 2009 at the Tawanui Aerodrome just out of fielding. It took its first post-restoration flight on the 18th of March 2009. It's painted in the markings of a well-known New Zealand Battle of Britain Zealand Spitfire pilot Alan Deere. It's one of only 2 airworthy Spitfires in New Zealand out of an estimated 60 airworthy Spitfires worldwide. Such a treat.
Lots of people trying to get photos here. Just such a treat. Oh my goodness. That was amazing. Wow.
Number 4. Fire trucks. Number 1. Royal New Zealand Air Force A109. This aircraft, registration NZ3403, is an Augusta Westland A109 light utility helicopter. We were super lucky and got to watch it arrive, and then we set up our cameras behind it. The Air Force personnel were pretty awesome, super friendly, and people, mostly parents with kids, were able to have a wee sit in the A109. So we got to listen to excited and happy kids and their parents all day. It was pretty neat. The Royal New Zealand Air Force has 5 operational A109s, and they all entered service between January and August 2011. The use is part of the Defence Force's helicopter training program and provide a comprehensive and cost-effective means of training aircrew prior to operational conversion into the NH90 or Sea Sprite helicopters. In addition to its training role, the A109 LUH is utilised in various operational tasks, including support of other government agencies, disaster relief, and personnel transport in the light utility role. At the end of the day, it pushed back right beside us. In fact, the rotor blade went right above us, and then it took off right in front of us. I mean, right in front of us. So cool. And that's it, that's the top 5. But that was by no means all of the cool stuff to see at the Life Flight Open Day. The Strike Master was there and you could have a wee sit in it.
Don't touch the red button!
It was amazing to get so up close and personal with the Strike Master. I don't know how you wangle a flight on it, although I doubt there'd be snacks, so the review would be a little bit lacking. There was the Strike Master, there was the ambulance, there were safety displays, there were the Life Flight planes, there were food trucks, there were ice blocks, there was even a wee Ferris wheel. All in all, it was a great day for the whole family. But at the end of the day, it came time to go home. So we packed up. Look how fast we pack up. Such tidy Kiwis. And then we walked back to the car, 150% satisfied with our day at Life Flight Open Day. Thanks again, Life Flight, for asking us along. And super thanks to Wellington Flights Live for getting me in on the gig. I still don't know quite how it happened, but I'm exceedingly thankful that it did. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, 1000, and then watch every single video we've ever made. And every one we will make. Thanks.